Hear that? Hear that siren? They're coming for you, Jeffree, because that was not cool.
So I start looking at the gloss. Look at my eyes.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you stick around and maybe even watch a few more. And if you're a returning viewer, clicker, subscriber, OG, thank you just a little bit extra. Now today's video, I know you've been waiting for. I apologize in advance, okay? My camera's not working. If you're seeing this right now, hopefully it's my camera footage. If not, it's my phone footage, and I apologize for the quality. Ugh, it has not been a good past couple of days. At all. We are doing my Jeffree Star unboxing. I've had the box for a couple days now. I have the giveaway all curated. In this video, I'm going to be saying what I got in my Supreme box, and then at the end we'll do the giveaway and all the giveaway details. So if you're interested in that and you want to enter the giveaway, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and let's get into the video. Oh my god, also I was very impulsive and I got 2 new piercings today. What do we think? The little sword and this little guy. So cute. Okay. That was the serotonin boost I needed after truly yesterday is one of the worst days I've had in a very long time. So what did I get in my Supreme mystery box? Now, if you saw my spoilers, my box is very similar to the spoilers that I posted. We did see there were variations, but this one is very reminiscent of the one that I did spoil. So, let's start with the exclusive items. The exclusive items are the items that every single one of the Supreme boxes got. I will say that the t-shirt is currently in the wash for me. It was the black and pink Heartbreaker t-shirt, super cute. I always get them oversized because I don't really wear t-shirts. I'm more of a crop top person. So when his mystery boxes come out and I know that we're getting an article of clothing, I usually just size up so I can wear it as like a t-shirt dress, because he does a lot of t-shirts, hoodies, that kind of thing. So I think it's super cute. I don't have it with me right now. Oh, and then the other thing I don't have with me right now, because I can't find them, and it's another reason why I hate them, are the single shadows. I've said this before and I will say it again. I hate when he gives us single shadows. If he needs to give us a magnetic palette with them. That's all I'm saying, because guess what? You lose them. Like, I've already lost them. I literally have no idea where they are. And it's kind of whatever, because I wasn't going to use them anyway, but they were going to go in the giveaway. And now my number one critique of this box, and it will be anytime we put single shadows in there, is that if he's going to give us single shadows, give us a magnetic palette. Hear that? Hear that siren? They're coming for you, Jeffree, because that was not cool. Okay, moving on to the other exclusives. We had the t-shirt. We had 4 exclusives in this box, which is really cool, and 2 of them, 3 of them. Wait. We had 5 exclusives. I cannot keep track. Either way, 2 of them are makeup items, which is super cool. This one's not, but I do want to touch on it first. We all got these in the boxes. This is the selfie light. It has 3 settings, and the power of this is actually really strong. I hope you can see how strong that is. I love this. It's actually super cute. It's plastic, but it's fairly durable. Like, it's not, doesn't feel cheap. It is chargeable, which I love. We love that. Eco-friendly, and it's just nice to not have to worry about batteries. So just come with a little charger, and I used this to make some TikToks the other day, and like, I actually love it. Like, I love it. Another exclusive that we got is the mirror. There you are. Say hello to the camera. This is the Heartbreaker mirror, and this is so freaking cute. I love the shape, the colors, the font, everything about it. This is so my aesthetic. This to me reminds me a lot of like that old English font. I mean, I think that's what this is called. And it gives me like tattoo vibes. Like, that is totally my aesthetic. I love this mirror. It's his same normal quality. It's a really good mirror, and it's fun to get like a cool exclusive mirror that no one else is gonna have, and I really like it. So I think that's dope. Let's get into the 2 makeup exclusives. So we got, which we knew that we were all getting in the Supreme boxes, the Heartbreaker Supreme Frost Palette. The packaging is super cute. I really love the red and the pink, and it has the same font as like the mirror and the shirt and everything. And I said in my spoiler video, this is what it looks like, that it looked like this was very universal, and it is, and I'm very glad that it is. Meaning, for the most part, since this is a highlighter palette, that pretty much everyone should be able to use this as a highlighter, blush, whatever. Anyone can use this as an eyeshadow, but when it comes to the complexion tones, there's one for fair, medium, and dark, and I really, really like that. I'm able to use 2 of the shades on my face. I have used this as a blush already, and I used this as a highlight. You would have seen them in today's video if my camera decided to work yesterday when I was filming. So I don't have them on today because I filmed a different look. But I really like these actually. The quality is amazing, and it's super cool to have like an exclusive makeup item like this. And then we also got the Velour liquid lipstick in the shade Cutthroat Love. I like that he named them this time instead of him doing like the mystery shade. Like, I like that it actually has a shade name. And this is beautiful. I swatched it. I really like this color. It's very similar to Unicorn Blood, but it's kind of like its cool toned sister in my opinion. Let's swatch them next to each other. Here is Unicorn Blood and here is Cutthroat Love. See how similar in tone they are, like the deepness, but this is warm and this is cool. So let's swatch them together just so you can see. I hope you can see. They're very, oh, well, they're not dry yet. They're very similar in person too, but really this one, Unicorn Blood, is a little bit more, or I think you can see it better here, is more orangey red, and this is definitely a more of a cool tone. So to me, it's like my perfect red because I definitely like more cool tone reds, and I'm just so hyped. I love that he did an exclusive red lip for Valentine's Day. That is sick. I love that, and he nailed it. Moving on to the other items, now that the exclusives are out of the way, let's talk eyeshadow palette. Now, I think that this box was very nude focused, which is great in so many ways because it's so universal that way, and normal consumers who just wanted to try his products, maybe don't want anything super vibrant or super colorful, will love this. It's also very Valentine's Day because you're getting all the nudes for like that sultry, just go-to soft glam, so I really like that. However, I know that a lot of people are upset that we didn't see Pink Religion in these boxes, and I agree. I think that would have been like the perfect mystery boxes if we saw that. More blood sugar. I do know that the deluxe box got some of the mini blood sugar palettes, which I thought was awesome. If I was gonna get a deluxe box, I would have loved to have that. But I did happen to get the ORGY palette, which I already own. I do love this palette. I bring it to all of my bridal trials. It's just an amazing neutral palette, and it's all matte, so for a makeup artist it's amazing, and honestly for the everyday person I also think it's great, but people are either gonna really like or really hate that they got this in the box. I will say that this was in one of the last rounds of mystery boxes, either the last one or the one before it, because that's where I got mine, and I actually do really like it. So it is a little bit frustrating when you do see repeat palettes in the boxes, but again, it's a mystery box. You can't be too upset with what's in here. I think we have to look more at the variety of products that you're getting. So I like this. I'm glad that it's in here. This is not, however, going in the giveaway. I'm gonna give this to my roommate, but there will be something else exciting going in the giveaway. Let's get to that. One thing that will be going in the giveaway, and that is so freaking exciting, I think anyway, is the nude lip vault. I did get the nude lip vault. I got the shades Skin Tight, Mannequin, Celebrity Skin, Posh Spice, Rose Madder, Gemini, Leo, and Androgyny. These are cult favorite shades. These are some of his best-selling nudes, which is so sick to see in here. It's so awesome that he put this in here. This is gonna be like the big giveaway ticket item. I want to keep a lot of them, but I'm not gonna. This packaging is very nice. It's sturdy and it's sleek. It's not, well, it is bulky, but it's not hard to store. So I think this is freaking so sick. I love this. And then speaking of lips, we also got a velour lip scrub in the flavor Pink Grapefruit. I personally hate grapefruit, so this is also gonna go to you guys. You're basically getting like a giant lip bundle for whoever wins the giveaway. His lip scrubs are really great. I just personally don't like this flavor, and I have plenty of lip scrubs anyway. So we're gonna add this to the giveaway. Also, I think the lip scrub is a great item to get in his boxes. Sticking with the lip theme, which I think I only have, oh no, I do have one other product to get to that isn't lip. I also got the velour lip liner in the shade Mannequin. This is nice because it also goes with Mannequin that we got in the lip vault. If obviously I was keeping all this for myself, that would have been awesome. I am going to hold on to this. I want to give his lip liners another try. I wasn't the biggest fan before, but we're going to keep this and try it. So I wasn't like blown away by the formula, but I did swatch this and I feel like it wasn't as dry as the other ones I tried before, so maybe I got a dud. We'll see. Now this product is a little for me, and I'll explain why. I got the yellow concealer. It seems like a lot of people got this. Now this is technically a color correcting shade, so in that sense it is more universal, obviously, than getting like trying to pick out your normal concealer shade. That would be way too much. I am glad that I got to try out the concealer shade, or the concealer formula I should say. This actually does work for me. It is very yellow, but I was able to mix this with another concealer to see how it worked, and I actually do like the formula of this. But I wish that we got like a powder or another eyeshadow palette or a magnetic palette for the single shadows than this, just because this isn't as universal. Like I was saying earlier, the products in the boxes need to be very eye and lip focused, maybe some complexion, like a palette like this where he's going to make it universal, but something like this just isn't as universal as I was hoping. But you are also getting to try the formula, and you can't please everyone 100% with these boxes. They are mystery boxes, but you are still spending your hard-earned money on them. So to me, I want to be able to at least use all the products, whether it's a shade I don't like a green lipstick or something. At least he's giving a lipstick in there. But this, I don't know. Tell me what you guys think about this. It actually, you know, works for me, so I'm at the end of the day happy that I got it and happy that I got to try the formula. But I feel like everyone's going to be kind of split on whether they like that this was in here or not. Would we prefer like a translucent powder, even a magnetic palette for the single shadow, something like that? Let me know. Now lastly, I think we just have some more lip products, and then I think we're done. So I got, oh yes, 4 lip products. Okay, so let's start with the Velvet Trap. I got the Velvet Trap in the shade Celebrity Skin. This is very light for me, but I am going to try to make it work. I did swatch it. I do like this formula, and I've given away every other one that I have gotten, so I think I'm going to keep this one and try to do like ombre lips with it, because typically it's way too light for me. But this is a very, like, one of his favorite shades, like a well-loved shade, so it's really cool to see that in here. And then we also got, which I think this is very exciting, we got Supreme glosses in here. I have not tried these yet. I tried this yesterday for the first time, and I am like kind of obsessed. I love his regular gloss formula, and I'll show you the gloss shades that I got too. The Supreme glosses are basically like a lip lacquer, so it's gonna have the pigment of a liquid lipstick, but the finish of a gloss, so it's kind of a hybrid. It also should essentially have a little bit better of a staying power than a regular gloss, which I think this does. I did eat dinner with this last night, like a salad, and I was eating very messily and not really caring, and it actually stayed on pretty well. So I really like this formula, and I'm actually tempted to buy some of these. I want to go online and see what shades he has, but this is the shade Improper. It's like a really pretty, obviously like purple mauvey tone. It's a little bit less purple than it looks like in the tube, but this is a really nice shade, and I was actually really happy to get this because there's another new formula that I haven't tried yet. And then lastly, we have 2 more glosses. We got the clear gloss and then the peach price tag gloss from the Blood Money collection. I love his glosses. His gloss formula is literally amazing. Don't let the god-awful campaign photos deter you from buying these, because they are so good. Those photos are so bad, but his glosses are so good. Always loved a clear gloss, and then this is like a very clear light pink peachy base.
Oh, wait a minute. Look at this again. So I start looking at the gloss. Look at my eyes.
The vibe of this box is, for the most part, very neutral, and I kind of love it. So that is everything I got in my box. What do you guys think? Would you be happy if you got this box? I personally am pretty happy with this box. I really can't find much of a fault here. But let me know what you guys think, and let's get into the giveaway. So, giveaway time. For the giveaway, one winner will receive the Nude Lip Vault as well as the Grapefruit Lip Scrub. And then on top of it, if this happens to be your first video of mine or you're just unaware, I do have a lash brand, Noelle Lashes. It's always linked below for you guys. So with every giveaway that I do, I'm also going to be giving away a lash style of your choice as well as a toolkit and a mirror. So again, one winner will receive all of that, the Nude Lip Vault, the lip scrub, a lash toolkit, mirror, and the lash style of your choice. So here's how to enter. You of course must be subscribed to my YouTube channel and have notifications on. Thumbs up this video and comment any sort of heart emoji down below, and or your favorite lash style of Noelle Lashes, whether you've tried them or you want to try them. That's just like something fun to comment. And then you'll just have to follow my Instagram accounts down below, which are my personal and my Noelle Lashes one. Also, you want to follow those not just because it's a giveaway rule, but because within the week I will also be doing an extra post on one of those accounts for extra entries where you can tag your friends, comment a certain emoji, that kind of thing. So make sure that when you follow those, you also hit the post notification option so that you see when that the extra entry post will go up. And I am going to announce the winner on Valentine's Day. I always announce them on my Instagram and on the YouTube community tab, so just make sure that you have all the notifications on and that you're following, and good luck to everybody. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and I hope I see you in my next one. Bye guys.